Hi everyone, the question is the sum of the sides of a right angled triangle is 42 and the difference between the median and altitude drawn from the vertex at the right angle is 2. The area of the triangle is. So the situation is something like this. Let's say there is a right triangle ABC right angled at A. Capital R is the circumradius. Since midpoint of the hypotenuse is the circumcenter, so this length let's call it as D. BD and CD both are R circumradius, and so is AD, which is also equal to R, because D, the midpoint of BC, would be the circumcenter, and hence AD is the median, and let's say this AE be the altitude, and it is given that difference between median and altitude is 2. Clearly median will be greater in length, so you can say R is H plus 2. Now what we want is the area of the triangle. Let's call it delta. So clearly if you see carefully, it will be half into base, which is BC, which is 2R, into height, which is H. It will also be equal to RS, where small r is the in radius and S is the semi-perimeter. So here what you have is R into H, where H is essentially R minus 2. Why? Because R is H plus 2 is equal to this in radius. I can write as what? S minus A into 10A by 2. S minus A, which will be 2R. Why? Because A is the side length opposite to vertex capital A, which is equal to 2R. So S minus A into 10A by 2. This capital A angle, if I say, is 90 degree. So A by 2 is 45 degree, and 10A by 2 would be what? 10A by 2 would be 1. So I'm just writing 1045 degree, where this is essentially A by 2, and where this essentially is small a, where it is the side length opposite to vertex A. So S minus A into 10A by 2 multiplied by this S, which is again semi-perimeter. So here S is what? 21. Why? Because perimeter is known to us as 42. So S is 21. And what I have is R square minus 2R is equal to 21 minus 2R multiplied by 1045 degree, which is 1, multiplied by S, which is essentially 21. So what we have is R square minus 2R, and you have plus 42R. So you have plus 40R minus 21 square equal to 0. So as you solve this quadratic, you would get this R to be minus 49, and you have 9. Basically minus 49 would be rejected. R is 9, and if R is 9, H is what? R minus 2, which is 7. And what about the area? Area is half into side BC, which is 2R, into height, which is H. So basically what you have is RH, which is essentially 9 multiplied by 7, which is essentially 63 square units. C is the answer. Thanks for listening.